Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I was just chatting with my boyfriend about mutual friends who have grown up and gotten older like we did, because my boyfriend and I were together in high school, so we've known some of the same people for a long time. And just talking about how people age, it really hit me. There's something I've never really talked about before, and that is the cost of having unresolved traumas. It is a constant cost to us. For instance, we've got energy invested in hearing negative voices that are saying the same things over and over to us, like, you're not perfect, so you're not acceptable. You'll never be good enough. You're not worth anything. You're unwanted. Whatever your set of negative voices are that just go on and on, they're grinding on you. So you've always got energy going into trying to refute what you're hearing, or trying to not pay attention to it, trying to rise above it, trying to be the opposite of what those voices are telling you you are. It's just a constant involvement of your energy and investment of your energy. And then when we go through traumas, there are parts of our bodies that hold the stress. And that stress is held in our bodies forever until we do something about it, like TAT. So the stress means that instead of there being just a soft, gentle flow, say, through your liver, there's instead constriction. And so instead of what's flowing through your liver being just this gentle, unobstructed flow, it's having to fight against the constriction because of the traumas you suffered. And typically, so many of us have had sexual abuse, so all that whole part of our body is just closed down, stressed, pulled back. So there's all of this physical stress, and it just doesn't let up. It's always there. And then there's the stress and the investment of trying to have relationships that work and that don't. It's as though because of having these traumas, you have, say, a musical instrument, and you can only express yourself with that musical instrument. All of your expression, say, has to go through a little teeny toy piano. You don't have the full range of adult feelings, sensations in your body. Things are just like tied down, held back, and there's no blame in it. It's just that that's the way it is. So even though you want to have open, fulfilling relationships, or you want to express who you are, share your gifts with the world, you actually can't. And you're in a constant state of fighting against yourself. So those kind of things wear people out. They wear people down, and you can see it over the years. They've just been fighting these battles. They're invested in all of this. Plus, there's really genetic stuff, too, that informs us of how we should be in certain situations. So it's so much that our energy's invested in, even though we don't like it. So that's my big overview for you. What happens with TAT is that once those traumas resolve, your energy investment can be right in the moment. It can be like behind what you want to do, what you want to have, what you want to be. It's all there for you. So that's one of the big benefits of TAT. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.